Everyone is talking about AI replacing creators, but here's the truth. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you rich faster if you know how to use it. In this video, I will show you 5 tools that creators are quietly using to turn their content into cash, from passive income streams to full-on digital businesses. No coding, no team, not theory, just smart systems that run while you sleep. One that gets your content cited in ChatGPT, one that makes faceless YouTube vlogs with consistent characters, one to spin up digital products in minutes, one to grow meme accounts that sell, and one that gives you Hollywood-style videos without the gatekeeping or the credit burn. So let's get going because we're moving fast. For each tool, we're going to talk about what it is, how to use it, and how it makes money so you can earn your first dollar, and we'll talk about what to avoid. And all the links and prompts are going to be in the description. Tool number 1 is SEO Writer. Most AI SEO stops at keywords. SEO Writer.AI goes further. It analyzes the SERP competitors, builds an outline that covers information gain they're missing, and optimizes so your core message gets cited in ChatGPT to drive traffic. So your post is primed for classic Google and AI overviews, which is ChatGPT citations. It pulls headings, titles, FAQs, and concise, quotable sections that LLMs love to cite. Monetization path, affiliate lead magnet to a newsletter or a digital product. Don't worry, we'll make that in tool number 3. Now here's the mistake to avoid. Publishing generic AI content. Ooh, don't we all hate that? Always add original data, pricing you've checked, photos, test the notes. That's what earns citations that rank. On to tool number 2. OpenArt. You can create multi-character vlogs to create faceless YouTube videos, consistent characters, storyboard control, and edit per scene for retention. I'm going to be honest with you. Faceless channels die when characters change every shot. OpenArt's multi-character vlog fixes that. Stable characters across scenes, storyboard previews, so you don't have to redo an entire video for one bad shot. Here's your monetization path. YouTube Shorts, long form about a niche, wellness, study tips, budgeting, affiliate mentions, supplements, planners, or digital product upsell, which we'll make in tool number 3, or sponsorships once you've hit consistent views. Now here's your mistake to avoid. Don't let the AI ship wardrobe prompts between scenes. Keep the output changes off unless you intentionally jump time. Now to tool number 3, Gamma. Here we're going to create digital products with AI in minutes. So use Gamma to create sellable digital products, guides, checklists, mini courses fast. Then you can recycle those into lead magnets for consistent list growth. Listen, when you have the attention, you need an offer. Gamma makes document-style products fast, clean, and easy. AI images and even an AI agent to edit sections on command. Export PDF, and that's your front-end product or your lead magnet. You can easily add bundles like checklists, cheat sheets, or even printable planners in a matter of minutes. So here's your monetization path. Sell the PDF for $7 to $27 on Shopify, StanStore, Gumroad, and you can easily upsell the template pack, or you can give it away as a freebie to grow your email list. Then you can monetize from your email list in affiliates for higher ticket guides. Remember tool 1, the SEO Writer.AI? You can easily reuse sections as SEO blog posts as a flywheel. So here's a mistake to avoid. Publishing without your edits. Always add personal proof, your photos, receipts, before and after, a clear 30-day plan to drive completion. Tool number 4, Reel.farm. We're going to build meme accounts on TikTok to drive product sales. So you can use Reel.farm to mass produce slideshows, memes, UGC avatars, shorts, and you can schedule them and push traffic to your product or your affiliate links. Let me tell you, short form discoverability is unmatched. Reel.farm lets you spin up slideshows from sources like Pinterest And then you auto layer text hooks and schedule weeks of content. TikTok is actively boosting slideshows, less friction, and more watch through. Now, here are the two playbooks. You can do a slideshow to build authority plus clicks. Now, here's a mistake to avoid: going too broad. Pick one pain point. Sleep, study, skin, whatever it is, own it. So, tool number 5. HigsField gives you the Sora-style models plus VO3, VO 3.1, Cling, One, and so much more. And many of them with unlimited generations. So you can create until your heart is content.
Just a little longer, buddy. I got you.
Here's the money format. This is how you're gonna make it work. The body cam shots, the POV, the micro stories, the hyper real tension. You know what I'm talking about? And what about those street interviews?
What's one spot in Fort Worth you got to try?
Definitely Joe T's.
You go for the margarita, you stay for 2 more.
The cattle drive downtown.
My daughter does those, and I have been behind the camera for some really interesting things. You got to be pretty daring, but they are fun to create. Anyway, as creators and consumers, UGC is so important. All you have to do is insert your product image, your script, and do a voiceover, and you've got faceless content. Now, here is that workflow if you wanted to make faceless UGC content with HigsField and actually have a model hold the product. So upload the product image. You can use any image and clean it up in Canva if you'd like, or Nana Banana before you insert it. Then just put in a prompt. So here's our prompt: 30-second UGC ad, hook in the first 2 seconds, cut between close-ups and hands-on product, natural lighting, casual kitchen, and then end with, I definitely buy this again. Then select your presets, trending UGC, set the duration, generate 3 to 5 versions. It's unlimited depending on what plan you have. And just pick the top 1 or 2, run a spark ad, or just post it organically on TikTok or Shorts. You're on there anyway. If it's your product or a digital product, link it there, and there you have it. But here are the mistakes to avoid. Don't over stylize the visuals. Just make sure you're clear with your hook in the first 2 seconds. You must promise relief or curiosity. Otherwise, the deal is over. Okay, so here is your recap. We're going to use SEO Writer to publish citation-ready content, be it our blog. We are going to use SEO Writer.AI to publish citation-ready content that's going to be found in ChatGPT and all of the places that we love. You can use OpenArt for faceless blogs with consistent characters. Create your own cartoon for your digital products. Use Gamma for your digital products that you can create fast and professional. Real.farm is where you can easily create memes and slide distribution that actually creates clicks and can grow your social media. And the last AI tool for today is HigsField. Use HigsField for many different use cases, but you can use it to create Sora-style video for UGC in viral formats. Use HigsField to create UGC ads, social media content, commercials, and so much more. Okay, so you're like, Brittany, what do I do? Sum this whole thing up for me and tell me exactly what I should do. Here's what you should do. Start with one niche, run one SEO page like a blog, one product, one short form channel, and do it for 30 days. And let me know what you think. You're still here. So that means you're picking up what I'm putting down. So comment Playbook in the comment. Make sure you subscribe to the Grow newsletter where I include tips, tricks, and hacks so you can learn how to make money with AI tools so you can continue to make money with AI tools for creators in 2026. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.